Hello, my name is Tyler Munford. I run cross country and I play baseball. I attended the YSU course, and it taught me a lot about college planning, financial planning, and career planning. So college, I'm a junior, uprising senior. It taught me how I need to stay on top of my grades, and I need to focus on and start applying now. I've already started applying, but I need to apply more and attend more meetings for different colleges, see what else I have. Financial planning, I run my own lawn care business. I'm 17. I've started from the ground up. I bought all my equipment. I started off with a push mower in the back of the car, and now I've got a truck with a 14-foot trailer, and I've got 3 riding mowers, push mower. I've got professional equipment, backpack blowers, professional trimmer systems. I cut down trees, remove trees, and that's really taught me that I shouldn't be afraid to get my hands dirty, because those are jobs that people are looking for nowadays. Is just being able to get down and dirty. That's how you make your money. So I mean, with my job, I make minimum $25 an hour, and I made upwards of $300 an hour, just depending on the job. So it could be as easy as just like riding your mower and bagging up leaves, because it just sucks it all up. But some back-breaking work when you got to cut wood with an axe if your chainsaw breaks, like what happened with me last weekend. So I had to cut down a 20-foot tree with an axe. But you just got to be willing to put in work. I work 12 and 14-hour shifts on the weekends, just to be able to keep up. Career planning, I want to get into engineering, mechanical engineering, and so what I do now is affecting what I'm going to do in the future. So not only am I doing my lawn care business, and I'm also a photographer, but I'm hopefully going to be doing work-based learning at Allen Mitchell Ford up the street from Fayette County High School, just to learn how to work on stuff and keep getting my hands dirty and like really invest myself into what I love doing, so that I can make myself a better person and help positively affect my community and my friends and family. Millionaire, that's a big thing that we talked about. Millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire, somebody with a lot of money. You have to be willing to put in work and time. Time is money, and everybody, if you don't know that now, you need to learn it now, because no matter, like in my case, for my jobs, if it takes me an hour, I'm not going to make as much money as if it takes me 3 hours, because I can charge way more. So it's all about time is money, money is time. So if you want something done right, you're going to have to be willing to pay for it. So if somebody wants you to do it right, they're going to pay you for it. So you just got to be willing to know what you're doing, know how to do it, get it done right the first time. So.